Our top focus story from Bengal is on the Election Commission heat on Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over her appeal at a rally last week to Muslim voters, asking them to unite and not let their votes be split up. The poll panel has sent a notice to Mamata on this issue and has asked her to provide an explanation on the comments that she made at that election rally last week in Tarakeshwar. The notice has been sent based on a BJP complaint. The Saffron parties alleged that Mamata's appeal was an open demand for votes on communal grounds. The Election Commission has given Mamata Banerjee 48 hours to submit her explanation, following which the panel will decide on the next course of action. This comes days after Prime Minister Modi also targeted Mamata Banerjee for her appeal to Muslim voters, saying this shows that Mamata has lost the trust of Muslims as well. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us with more details on this. So Aishwarya, the Election Commission taking note of the BJP's complaint, they've served a notice to Mamata Banerjee. In these kind of circumstances, if the Election Commission does find that, Mamata made these comments, didn't take it in the right stand, and they don't buy her justification or her defense, what kind of action perhaps can they take?
Well, Akshata, it will be mere speculation if we talk about the kind of action that the Election Commission can take. But we have seen in the past how the Commission, in fact, has banned leaders from campaigning, which is something which is a probability if Mamata Banerjee's response is not up to the mark. Now, the time which she has been given is 48 hours, which will end tomorrow evening. And the decision was taken after the Election Commission went through the entire transcript of her speech, and they also saw the video of the rally where she was making this appeal. Now, according to the MCC rule, leaders, those who are campaigning, cannot ask for votes and cannot make comments which are communal in nature. And what Mamata Banerjee said, according to the Election Commission, is a gross violation of the MCC code, because of which she's been sent this notice. She will have to respond by tomorrow evening. Otherwise, the Election Commission will take action without giving her any further notice. Akshata.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.